Washing fruits and vegetables is the best way to reduce food-borne illnesses coming from Salmonella, E. coli, and other pathogens. Fruits and vegetables may still have chemicals, waxes, oils, soil, and unseen dirt upon purchase from the market or groceries. There could also be unseen residual from pesticides that may harm your family. Presenting the Tupperclean Fruit and Veggie Wash. Clean your fruits and vegetables instantly. Tupperclean Fruit and Veggie Wash rinses away chemicals, waxes, oil, soil, and unseen dirt, removes residual pesticides, eliminates Salmonella, E. coli, and other pathogens, kills 99.99% of bacteria. Clean your vegetables instantly by following these easy steps. Dilute 100 ml of concentrate of Tupperclean Fruit and Veggie Wash to 900 ml of water. Soak your fruits and vegetables in the solution for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse with clean water. Pat dry and store in your Tupperware fridge mates and put inside the refrigerator. Fruit and Veggie Wash 500 ml bottle can be diluted up to 5 liters solution, so you can get better value for your money. It is safe to use. Protect your family. Use Tupperclean Fruit and Veggie Wash.